We used to talk on the phone like every day. Now I barely even send you text. But you still my baby, and I still say that lately. Cause our lives been crazy, baby. No lie, girl, when I tell you, you my everything. Every time I say that, you think I'm just playing. We both know what the truth is. Trying to fix the problem.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Tyrone, and I'm back with another video. So today's video, as you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, I'll be testing out a popular makeup hack that everybody's been doing on TikTok. And I'm a chocolate girl. I haven't seen very many chocolate girls do it, but I did it for you guys, and I did it Drugstore, so it's super affordable. And you can get this stuff from anywhere. I got all this stuff from Walmart. Walmart is one of the only stores that's still open, and so you can get this stuff from either, Target too. I got some stuff from Target. So yeah, like, you don't have to worry about ordering offline to go to Ulta. Like, all this stuff is easy and accessible. And then you're gonna find out if you can get long wear makeup with this TikTok hack. So if you're interested, just keep watching. All right, so the first step in the video says you're supposed to moisturize. I already moisturized my face when I did my skin prep, so I'm just gonna take the Wet n Wild Prime Focus Prime Serum, and I'm gonna just put that on my face. Alright, so next I'm going to take my Maybelline setting powder in the shade Dark. So now I'm going to spray my face with the Loreal Infallible setting spray. And once it's dry, I'm just going to take my Baby Skin Insta-Pore Eraser by Maybelline. So now our skin is prepped, and I'm just gonna go in and do my eyebrows. Now I'm gonna color correct and also prep my eyelids. I'm gonna take the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade Cocoa as my color corrector. I'm gonna take some of the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C14.5 to prep my eyelids for eyeshadow. Alright, so the same brush that I used to do my eyebrows, I'm going to use to blend out the concealer on my eyelid. I'm going to set my eyelids. I'm going to use the Translucent Banana Milani setting powder. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to be using the NYX palette like this. This is the Warm Neutrals palette. I'm going to take the shade right here, the red one. Okay, so I'm just going to take a blending brush from BH Cosmetics. This is number 12. I'm just going to blend up. Alright, so now is the moment of truth. We're gonna see how this foundation blends out. I'm trying for the first time the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Freshwear foundation. I've heard great things about this. It's supposed to be like the best foundation on the market right now. Okay, so right off rip, it's kind of runny, so I'm not gonna do too much. I'm going to use this Real Techniques Ultimate Buffing Brush and pat this foundation in. I like this foundation. It's clearly like full coverage, but it's like, it's not like super thick and heavy either. So like, you can definitely build this foundation up. It's a little dark for me, I think. But it's okay. Okay, so whenever I use a brush, I like to like follow up with a sponge. So I'm taking this sponge. I'm patting bring it into my skin. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline New York concealer in the shade 55 Hazelnut. Alright, so I'm gonna take the L'Oreal True Match in the shade Espresso and use that to contour. And I'm gonna go back in with that same brush and just contour. I'm just gonna take a sponge and blend it out. I'm gonna take this sponge to blend out my concealer. It's blending out so easy so far, like everything is blending out nice. Okay, so I blended all that out and I guess I wasn't recording, but I'm gonna take the Revolution concealer that I use on my eyelids. I'm gonna go underneath my eyes with it. Alright, so I'm gonna let that sit for a couple minutes. Okay, and before I blend out my under eyes, I'm gonna get my setting powder ready. Okay, so let me say, I know a lot of people are a fan of the Fit Me powders, but y'all, these two right here, coming for next. All right, so now I'm gonna take this pressed foundation by, well, it's not a foundation, it's a pressed powder by Black Radiance. This is in the shade Black Coffee, and this angled brush by Real Techniques to bronze my face. I'm gonna take this eye crease brush by e.l.f. to contour my nose. I'm gonna take this cream to powder foundation to blend the whole face out. Next, I'm gonna use this blush by Maybelline. This is the Fit Me in shade Wine. Now I'm gonna set my brows into place. This is the Rimmel London Wonderful Brows in the shade Dark Brown. Alright, so before I do anything else, I'm gonna take this setting spray and spray again. I'm gonna take this part of the sponge and press it. Yeah, this looks so good. Next, I'm gonna take this Rum Spice Baked Bronzer from Black Radiance, and it's e.l.f. brush right here, and lightly. All right, and then I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild bronzer in the shade Palm Beach Ready. I'm gonna take the same brush and do the same technique. For this one, this is very pigmented, so really lightly dust it. I'm gonna spray again one more time. I'm just gonna put on some mascara. Okay, so I'm gonna be using these lashes today. They're in the style Baby Girl. These are actually my lashes from my brand. So right now we are not shipping anything due to the corona thing. We're closed, but we will be relaunching soon, so you can be able to get your lashes. And yeah, I'm gonna put the glue on that, and then while that's working, we're gonna do our lip liner. All right, so for this lip look, I'm gonna be using this pencil. This is like the perfect brown for brown skin girls. I've been looking, I cannot find one, especially an affordable one. This is only like 97 or 99 cents, depending on where you go. But this is in the shade Summer Brown. It is an eyeliner, but I mean, they all do the same thing. So I'm gonna use it for lip liner today. And then I'm gonna take the shade Bare Fair from, I think this is Revlon. I love this lipstick. So I'm also gonna go in with this shade. This is Fortune Cookie. Then on top, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Pumpkin Gloss in the shade Champagne Glam. I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on. Alright y'all, so this is a finished look. So my initial reviews on this look. So I've been doing makeup for like 2 hours now, and I must say, I'm impressed. Like, I haven't gone outside, I haven't gone anywhere. Like, I've been in the house, obviously, just doing makeup. But like I said, off rip, like, it looks good. Like, it looks really good. And it's really dark in here now because the sun went down. I started too late doing my makeup. But guys, like, flawless, and it's not going anywhere, okay? Like, my face looks good. I don't look cakey, I don't look powdery, I don't look ashy. Now on camera, I don't know how I look, but in person I look really golden and really good. Like, I don't know, I like it. And I think I'm gonna do this again. Like, I think this is gonna be how I do my makeup. And I don't know if it's the items I use, but this drugstore is coming for throats, okay? I look so good. Okay, so like, basically, if you have not tried this hack, go ahead and give it a try. It's dark skin girl friendly if you use the right products, of course. I'm loving my face right now. Like, I would wear this out on a hot day and not feel no type of way. Like, usually I just be suffering. I will suffer in silence, but literally I feel like I did my other routines where it's just concealer, and even still it feels a little lighter than that. And I went in like, I beat the crap out of my face. Everything I use is full coverage. So like, I really don't know what else to say. Like, and even my smile lines, like, usually by now, all this smiling stuff I've been doing, I will have smile lines right now. Now I feel like soon, eventually, I might have to touch up, but as of right now, I don't see no lines. Like, I think we're doing something. I think we found something here. Oh, good. I don't care what none of y'all said. But yeah, if you plan on trying this hack, let me know, comment down below. If you've already tried this hack, again, comment down below and let me know if you got the same snatch results, because this right here is crazy. It's crazy, but in like a good way. So anyways, if you made it this far, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any videos from me. And make sure you give it a like as well. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to see from me, because all quarantine 2020, baby, we're dropping videos back to back. So let me know. Let me know what y'all want to see, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.